Good morning, students. Hopefully, you had a restful weekend. We are moving on to the second 9 weeks of school. We are still continuing our social unit, and this Friday, you will have an exam covering those topics we talked about in social. So, you're going to click on the second 9 weeks folder, click October 19th to the 23rd. Again, your week at a glance is always at the top. So this week we're talking about religion and the 5 major religion belief systems in the world. Click on the first link. There we go. Maximize that. And so you're going to watch this brain pop video right here. So what is religion? Religions are sets of beliefs that try to answer questions about human existence. There are hundreds of religions practiced all over the world. And then you're going to read the quote from Tim. The 5 major belief systems we're going to study is Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, and Judaism. So these are the 5 most popular belief systems. Now, I grew up Catholic, and so my Catholic would fall under Christianity. And so there's a bunch of different ones that will fall under certain religions. You're going to watch this video right here on the right-hand side. And then you need to know this vocabulary. So monotheism means they believe in one God, just one. Polytheism means they believe in many gods. So you need to make sure you know the difference between those two. Here is an interactive world religion map. So you're going to click on the link. It's going to take you to a PBS website. And it's just kind of like the freedom map right here. So if you click on that, there we go. It's going to show you that the purple is Christianity. So you can see that the majority, not everybody, just the majority of people in Northern America, Southern America, most of Europe the majority is Christianity. And you can see that in Africa, you have Islam and you have Christianity as well. When you get over here to the Asia continent, you have Christianity, Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, because Russia is part of Asia. And so you need to pay attention to that. All right, you see how it looks different over here on this side of the world as opposed to the other parts. So you can play around with this. It tells you 97% in Algeria are Islam. We have 55% in Mongolia are Buddhism. 35% are non-religious. So this is like that freedom map where you get to hover around, move your mouse, and check out the different types. Also, there's some reading if you want. You can go ahead and read it about what the map talks about, but I kind of just paraphrased it for you. Then you have a timeline of when these religions were founded. So Hinduism was founded first. 3,000 years later was Judaism. Then we have Buddhism, Christianity, and then Islam. And then further down, we have the Sikhism founded. And so this is a cool timeline of when things started. And you'll be like, oh, wow, Hinduism was first. So it's just something to show you. After you look at the Google Slides, you are now going to open up the Judaism slides. So that's the first religion we're going to talk about. So these are the 5 again, and you're going to scroll through here. So again, monotheistic. We have Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. They all believe in one God. And then these religions all originated in the Middle East, and they share similarities. And so here's an image of the Middle East of these 3 monotheistic religions. Remember, religions do not have fixed boundaries. The Middle East is also referred to as Southwest Asia. With this slide, you need to make sure you open up 2 tabs. Okay, I want you to start learning how to have 2 tabs open. You're going to open up this Google slide, which you're going to fill in as you're going through the slides. And this is just like you'd be taking notes in class. So you have Judaism, and I believe the first, I can't read that. So Control minus, zoom in. Come on, there we go. So it's asking you for the founder. And so back to your slides. This Chromebook is taking a little while. There we go. So back to the slides. You're going to use the slides from here to write your notes down. So it's saying, so the first one we're going to do, like I said, is Judaism. These are the symbols. You have the Star of David, the menorah, the shofar. You don't have to write all of them down. Just go ahead and take the symbol is Star of David. That's what represents Judaism. You're going to put that star and you're going to draw it right here where it says symbols. You're going to draw the star and you're going to write it down. So you have founder, sacred text, name of God, place of worship, where did they begin, their geographic origin, basic beliefs, and holidays. So you need to go through the slides and it's like, oh, the founder, there it is, Abraham. So type that in the box that says founder, type in Abraham. Then it tells you the supreme being is Yahweh or God. So you type that in as well. You're going to go through all the slides, fill in this graphic organizer, and then submit that to me. And that is what you're going to do for today's assignment.